Everyone, welcome back to another reaction video, and we will be reacting to G-Dragon's bullshit and Last Dance Seoul 2017 live performance. So let's get started. Wow, look at those lasers. His fashion is on point. The hairstyle looks so cool. Fire, wow, everything. This is a real concert. Hear that? That beat. Da 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 ba ba ba. Swagged out like crazy. Look at the lasers. Oh my god, the lasers are so cool. The lights, everything. And his rapping. His flow is amazing. And his tone. Where my dogs at? Get dirty. The crowd, I can hear the crowd. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Yippee yo, yippee yay. Wow. Yippee yo, yippee yay. Yippee yo, yippee yay. Wow, he just looks so cool. Look at that. Like this fashion is so cool. Wow. That was just so amazing. Like I can see the transformation. Like 2017 G-Dragon is so much more different from 2015 G-Dragon, so much different from 2016 G-Dragon, who's different from 2012 G-Dragon. Like every single year he's always changing all the time, and that I like 2017 G-Dragon. He looks so trendy in there, like the fashion he was wearing, the concert lights, that's the trendiness. The much better technology, and the song was amazing as well. The song production, the beat, the flow, it was all trendy and so much better. Yeah, so I'm definitely wanting to react more of this type of G-Dragon, but I will eventually check out everything, because you know, he could be ahead of his time because he's that trendy. And he's a trendsetter, so obviously I have to check out everything. Anyways, thanks for watching my reaction, and stay tuned for more. Definitely more Big Bang, more G-Dragon, Taeyang solo, Daesung solo, Seungri solo, T.O.P solo, everything. I'm checking it all out. Stay tuned.